getting closer and closer. Yeah, it's just like floating sand. It's not like it's not strong. There's no it's just. طيب when you want to go? What's happening?
Amazing. I just want to see that small building getting vanished now.
Hmm?
I just want to see that small building getting vanished.
Oh, you videoing this?
Yep. Wow, man, it's coming. It's getting over. Wow.
Whoa, it's coming. It's coming quick.
It's over. The
Over?
small building is gone. And now it's coming closer to Faisalia Towers. I'm sure Faisalia is going to disappear, you know. Wow, 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 wow. Faisalia is disappearing. It's going to take a second. Wow. Wow, man.
What's happening?
Look at this. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? Nothing is visible at all. Wow.
Welcome back. Welcome back.